Hey everyone! I was having a blast playing with my awesome RC car, pulling off some cool stunts. But during one of the tricks, it broke down. The process of fixing it up and getting it back in action. Join me as I troubleshoot, repair, and bring my favorite RC car back to life. Let's get started. Hey everyone! Today, I'm tackling a repair project on my favorite RC car. It broke down during a stunt. To bring it back to life, I'll be using a flyski transmitter and receiver, a servo motor, a LiPo battery, and a brushed ESC. First up, I'll install the servo motor to control the steering. This will let the car turn left and right smoothly, making our rides much more fun. Next, I'll fit the electronic speed controller on ESC, which is crucial for moving the car forward and backward. The ESC installation is really important as it helps control the speed of RC car. I'll also place the receiver right back to the ESC. Now, onto the power source. I'm using a 5000 mAh LiPo battery, which is a bit heavy. It's important to secure it well to prevent any movement when we're off-roading. Proper installation is key because we don't want anything shaking loose during our adventures. Once all of the components are fitted and secured, I'll give everything a once-over to ensure it's all set up correctly. With the ESC and other parts in place, the car is looking good and ready to roll. I will take a litter test inside to make sure everything all right. Finally, it's time to take our repaired RC car outside for a test run. I'm excited to see how it handles and if all the fixes pay off. Let's hit the road and have some fun.